Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door gasket in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door gasket. The refrigerator door gasket provides the airtight seal preventing warm air from getting inside the compartment. A bad seal could cause a higher than normal temperature inside the compartment, blocking of the interior airways, or may prevent the door from completely closing. If you are experiencing any of these problems, check the door gasket and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the old gasket, I'm going to peel it off here, and I'm going to place the flat blade screwdriver right there in the seam and start prying it out. And then we can just pull it out using hands. And that's all around the door. All right, there we go. Before installing the new gasket, make sure that the groove is clean. Use the sponge and warm water to clean it up if you need it. This is the old refrigerator door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, so I'm going to bring in the gasket. I want to point that this is a symmetrical gasket. There's no top or bottom, so you can put it either this side up or the opposite side up. And if you turn it this way, you will see the edge. This edge is going to be pushed into this groove. I will start with the corner. Place it right in the corner and push it in. Then I'm going to this side, this corner, and I'm going to do the same thing. Push it in. You will feel when it goes in. And then we're going to install the top. And we can press in the sides. You can do both sides at the same time, or you can do one side at a time. At this point, I'm going to the bottom of the door and install the corners at the bottom and the bottom of the gasket. And then we're going to go up, placing the sides in. All right, I'm going to close the door. I'm going to open the freezer door, and we'll check how the gasket is touching the frame, the cabinet. And on this side, press it in. If it has a little bit opening, just push the gasket in so the magnet will touch the frame. All right. Sometimes I'll recommend you, if you will have a little bit of the wavy gasket, apply the petroleum jelly all over the gasket on the perimeter, and then close the door and keep it closed for a few hours. It will help the gasket to shape up. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.